October 7th marked 12 years, and it's called This Is Not the End. "Carry on," the soldier said, as he watched her mother hit her fists on her head. As she watched her young being lowered to the ground, she pleaded and pleaded and screamed, "Why couldn't it be me? Why did you take the youngest of my 3 o'clock in the morning? A village raided off and forgotten, reported as collateral damage, so they wouldn't have to keep with the baggage of explaining themselves. White skin never felt so much thicker and stronger. The opinion that people of color do not matter. That's why they are there, to help them rediscover. With the help of the democratic drugs, Afghans could be better." When I say free Afghanistan, I do not mean freedom of war. I mean freedom of these oppressors causing these mothers who are pressing the urge to lose themselves. Drugs and theft have become answers they behold. This time is a father who cries himself to sleep as he fights back the images of his daughter at the orphanage he could not afford to feed after her mother was killed in her sleep. We flick off the TV, telling ourselves there's nothing to see. And when we go to pray, we say, "God, please don't let this become me." We point fingers at the killers, not realizing the 3 pointing back. A coward is what we've become. Because when we turn on the TV, we skip the channel that talks about the child in need and instead drains the pain with MTV, hoping we can relate to the fake TV shows as the 10-year-old sister watches her 9-month-old brother as he sleeps. She cries silently. Mother went to the store and never came back. Father was arrested with leaving me and this baby. She reaches her hand out in the streets. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow, someone will come save me. How can we look away from people like this? No, it has nothing to do with me. Leave me. It cannot be. We can't do anything about it. We plead, putting our needs higher. But indeed, my friends, kindness doesn't come with the price. Humble hearts are always rewarded with the highest of the high. Afghanistan isn't just another country in need. It's a country with people who were killed off decades by our own greed. Children that are forgotten and lost in statistics, not thought about it when it comes to consequences of the war. How many hearts it tore through their voices, silent through the imperium swords, the white noise of the media, through the ignorance and Wikipedia the next time you think about the war. Search for the names of children who didn't even know how to spell war, yet they paid the price for the rich man's hand. Just don't let that blood stain your hands. Thank you.